A dog from Fort Leonard Wood just won the 13th annual American Human Hero Dog Award. Impressive. His name's Maverick, 150-pound dog. That's more than me. Oh, man. A European Blue Great Dane won the top award in the therapy dog category for his work with kids as part of the USO Canine program. Maverick, as his name again, will be honored at the award show in Palm Beach on November 10th, and you can watch that award show on A&E on November 26th. So it doesn't air till the 26th, but the award show is coming up in a few days. So
Yeah,
that's
that's
very
cool.
cool.
That'd be neat to
Yeah.
watch.